Hi, my name is Nicole Kurtz, and this is my Week 8 Interactive Advanced Concept presentation. So today I did 3 different projects in this one presentation. We were making instant ice. For project 1, all I needed was a bottle of water. For project 2, I needed ice in a bottle of water. And for project 3, I needed a glass, cold water, and ice. Most of these projects ended up not working for me on my first try because I don't know if the water was exactly cool enough. But I plan after this presentation, I plan on trying to do these projects again. So here's a video of me doing the presentation or the projects. Hi, my name is Nicole Kurtz, and this is my Week 8 Interactive Advanced Concept presentation. So today we're making I have 3 different projects that I will be talking about. This first one, all I need is a bottle of water that I flash froze for 2 hours and 45 minutes. So I should just be able to give this bottle a knock and ice crystals will form. So you can see that it started to form some ice crystals. It didn't get all the way frozen through, but it did start to form some ice crystals. It definitely, I could feel it get colder. For my next experiment, I'm going to be doing, I have my ice in here, and I'm going to be pouring ice cold water into it, and it should form like a crystallization almost. It started to form some crystallization, but it didn't really form the ice crystal sculptures like it showed in the video. And so this next one, I'm going to take one of the ice cubes. I'm going to grab a glass jar and then, or a glass cup, and I'm going to put cold water in it, then I'll put the ice cube in that. I have my cup of water, and now I'm going to stick an ice cube in it to see if it starts to freeze. And again, at the top, it started to form ice crystals, but it didn't freeze all the way through like it showed on the video. Thank you. So for project 1, this was what was supposed to happen. The water that was cooled, when the water is cooled, the molecules come together and form crystalline structures. So in order to go from the liquid to solid, the water must lose the heat energy. And when the cold water is tapped, either by tapping it on the bottle or hitting it on the table, it warms up the rest of the water, which will form that crystallization. For project 2 and 3, the same thing was going on. So when the water hits the ice cubes, the crystallization spreads. But in this case, or in my third project, when the cold water was already in there and I put the ice cube on top, the crystallization was supposed to spread all throughout the water. The heat that is released during the freezing stops it from freezing completely solid, but you'll still see like the slushiness, which is a crystallization that's there. The ice cubes help to freeze the water to freeze completely, which makes the shapes. Thank you.